Hello everyone and welcome to our new video where today we are going to be checking out the top 5 best LED TVs in the market in 2018. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to find out the price and more information about these LED TVs, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5 we have the TCL 55S405. The TCL 55S405 is one of the most sold 4K LED TVs in the market with smart functionalities. So, let's begin and find out why are people constantly buying it. From a design perspective, the S405 features a plastic enclosure with a glossy black finish on the bezel, which surrounds the display panel, and a matte black finish on the back of the chassis. So, it looks glamorous and at the same time suitable for any home decor. There are two triangular feet which support the whole TV, and they look gorgeous with their silvery metallic finish. On the left, you'll notice that there are 3 HDMI ports, one single USB 2.0 port, 3.5mm headphone jack, a Toslink optical port for surround sound, and a coaxial connection for antenna or cable. At the back, there is an internet port and a composite video output as well, so you will have plenty of connectivity options. This TV also has a 2-channel sound with built-in 8-watt speakers, so the sound quality is pretty good for a TV because you won't find any noticeable distortion if you raise the volume to a higher level. Now, let's talk about its features. The TCL combines a 4K Ultra HD display with a high dynamic range technology, which is unbelievably good due to the fact that you can see lifelike visuals with an exceptional clarity. As I've stated at the beginning, this TV has a smart functionality and gives you an access to over 4000 streaming channels for your ultimate pleasure. You can operate the TV via the remote and through the app. The remote has a quality pad that fits perfectly under your thumb, and it also has buttons for Netflix, Amazon and Sling, so with a single tap you can access them easily. If you prefer the mobile app, then the Roku app will let you search with your voice, so you don't even have to click for this. You can even cast movies and web videos directly to your TV with Netflix and YouTube apps, which are included on the interface. Overall, the S405 would be a great option for you if you're looking for an affordable 4K LED smart TV. Next up, at number 4 we have the LG 49UJ6300. This is a 4K Ultra HD LED TV that features smart functionality, so you can say goodbye to ordinary TV channels and greet the thousands of channels, movies, shows and videos available at the tip of your finger. From a design perspective, the LG features a stylish black construction with wide viewing angles and supportive feet that do their job perfectly fine. The main material used is plastic, which is included to the cabinet and on the feet, but for the set price, this isn't anything to be surprised about. The connectivities are composed of 3 HDMI HDCP 2.2 ports, 2 USB ports, 1 RF in port, 1 composite in shared port, 1 Ethernet port and an optical port too. The speaker system is 2-channeled with an output power of 20 watts, so if you want to improve the sound quality, you can use an external soundbar and have a better movie session. But now, let's talk about the performance. This TV uses the WebOS 3.5, which will give you an access to all of the most popular streaming video apps such as Netflix, Sling TV, and more than 70 free internet channels through the LG Channel Plus apps. In addition, the refresh rate of 60Hz will furtherly expand your viewing experience because even the most dynamic moments will be delivered with minimal motion blur, which is really good. Another great thing is the active HDR support, which works by optimizing the content scene by scene. Basically, the whites look brighter and the darks look darker, so the visuals are filled with clarity and sharpness. LG has also integrated a true color accuracy, which will automatically correct the occurrence of any color distortion with the intention to maximize your viewing experience like never before. I also want to inform that the TV comes with many apps pre-installed, such as the Amazon Video, Netflix and YouTube, and they run without any noticeable lag or frame drops. To conclude, you should seriously consider this TV as your next purchase because of its reasonable price and good quality. Next up, at number 3 we have the Element 55-inch Fire TV Edition TV. The Element Fire TV is a 55-inch 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV that comes with a voice remote which works with Alexa, so you can enter the new era of controlling everything with your voice. From a design perspective, this TV comes in a dark grey color with a flat gunmetal colored plastic bezel that looks really gorgeous. This model is supported by two wide V-shaped legs which provide enough stability so it will sit securely without any problems. On the back, at the lower right corner, there is a small 4-direction joystick with which you can make manual adjustments, while a bit further you can see the connectivity ports. They are composed of a USB 2.0 port, USB 3.0 port, component and composite video inputs, a 3.5mm headphone jack, an optical output, an SD card slot, and 4 HDMI ports. So that's definitely a lot of connectivity options. Anyways, now let's talk about the features. This TV can effectively produce over 8 million pixels and has a 4K Ultra HD resolution with a native refresh rate of 60Hz, which is a huge advantage since you will always see a deep contrast, accurate colors, and sharp visuals with minimal motion blur. I also really like the fact that you can pair this TV with an Echo device in order to control the TV with Alexa, so you can use your own voice for changing channels, controlling the playback, switch between apps, and many other things. You can have access to over 190 channels and apps such as Hulu, Prime Video, Netflix, HBO Now, and watch your favorite series and movies in 4K. This TV comes with Amazon's pre-installed apps, but of course, the apps we mentioned earlier can be downloaded without any problems. The navigation between apps is trouble-free, everything runs smoothly, so you will barely deal with any crashes. Also, remember that the system is based on Android, so if you can't find what you're looking for, you can sideload your own Android application package and you're good to go. Overall, the Element Fire TV Edition is still affordable when you compare what you receive for what you're actually paying, so give it a try and have access to plenty of TV channels and shows. Next up, at number 2 we have the Samsung MU8500. The Samsung MU8500 is a premium curved 4K Ultra HD Smart LED TV that was introduced in 2017. So, by default, it is equipped with the latest technologies that will elevate your viewing experience to a whole new level. From a design perspective, the MU8500 looks aesthetically pleasing with its silvery finish on the front and on the feet, while the back is covered with a black textured finish, so, as a whole, it looks wonderful. The input ports are composed of 3 USBs, 1 digital optical audio out, an Ethernet port, and 4 HDMIs, so you will be well equipped in terms of connectivity options. In addition, the speaker system is 2-channeled, of which one is down and the second is front firing with a woofer included. But now, let's talk about the performance. The MU8500 integrates plenty of technologies, which we will briefly describe some of them. The auto depth enhancer is going to analyze each image and adjust the contrast automatically, so this will result in natural and detailed visuals. The triple black, as the name states, is more concentrated into presenting the blacks in the dark scenes as good as possible, while the motion rate of 240Hz is extremely useful in capturing the fast moving scenes and present you lifelike content. This TV comes with a one remote which will automatically detect all of your connected devices and let you have control over everything. If you'd like to have a voice control, then don't worry, because you can do this without the need to constantly click on the remote. To conclude, this TV is not adequate for everyone's budget, but the set price is low if we take into consideration the quality and the benefit that the Samsung delivers. That's why, if you want to have an extremely reliable TV with plenty of technologies included, then this TV would be your ideal option. To finish off our list, at number 1 we have the Sony X900E. The Sony X900E is a 65-inch LED Ultra HD Smart TV that works with Alexa in order to make your user experience a lot more convenient, since you can use your speech as the main source of control. From a design perspective, the X900 features a sleek, minimalistic black chassis with a metal trim, while the metal stand which supports the whole cabinet looks really modern, so the TV would suit to any home decor. If you want to improve your viewing comfort, then I'd suggest you remove the base and mount it on your wall, because it is extremely easy to mount. The connectivities include 4 HDMI ports, 1 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, 1 component and composite hybrid, 1 composite input, an Ethernet LAN port, an AR in and an analog audio out 3.5mm audio port. Now, let's talk about the features. This model uses the Extended Dynamic Range Pro technology, which means that this TV produces 5 times more contrast than the ordinary LED TVs. This is really noticeable when you move from your previous TV to this one, because the light will be equally spread across each scene you watch. In addition, the Motion Flow XR technology is going to effectively fill the gaps between the frame rate of what you're currently watching, or to be more precise, it will maintain the ideal refresh rate for smoothly capturing the fast-moving action sequences. Since TVs come with a remote control, the Sony's remote control has 10 number buttons and dedicated specifically for Google Play and Netflix, so you can use it and have a quick access to them. There is also a mic button which activates the voice control functions, so you can easily open apps and search for specific apps. Overall, the Sony X900E isn't the cheapest TV that you can find in the market, but it is surely one of the best, and in order to have a beast like this, sometimes you'll have to pay more. That's why, if you're not tight on the budget, you should definitely consider this as your next purchase. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you wanna find out the price and more information about these LED TVs, you can check out the links down in the description and the comment section below. And if you have any questions related to them, you can leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.